Welcome to Total Healing for the Mind, Body, and Soul, a motivational blog to heal all aspects of the human experience. I'm your host, Heather Woods, owner of Total Healing Life Coaching. I hold multiple master certifications in life coaching with an emphasis on self-care and empowerment, as well as mindfulness and meditation. Today's topic, find your why. Uncover the purpose that drives you. Before we get started, I just want to thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tools to become your best self. Let's begin. Lacking purpose or direction. Do you ever feel stuck? Perhaps you don't have the job, the relationship, or the financial situation that you desire. You probably know what it is that you don't want, but have you ever taken the time to figure out what it is that you do want? What does your ideal life look like? What would you need in your life for it to be more fulfilling and meaningful? Personalize your dreams. Rather than answer with generalities like, I want a job that pays more or is closer to home, or to find my soulmate, or just to be rich, think about being as specific as possible. Instead of saying you want a soulmate, for instance, lay out the key characteristics that you want in a soulmate, like someone with a sense of humor, integrity, and who you could share your life with. Or another example would be, I want a job where I can utilize my fill-in-the-blank skills to share my knowledge and help others to, again, fill in the blank. This is where you make it as specific to you as possible, and you can even include what you have to offer the world as well, not just what the world has to offer you. What if money didn't matter? To put it in a slightly different light, if you win the lottery tomorrow and suddenly you're a multimillionaire, what will you do with the rest of your life? Will you continue working at your job? Will you spend more time with your family or go travel the world? Will you start your own business or spend more time on your hobbies? If money were no obstacle and you had all the time in the world, what would you choose to spend your time doing? Dream big. Take some time to dream about the possibilities. Then, take out a piece of paper and write down your dreams in vivid detail. Be specific. Take all the time that you need to write out your goals, dreams, and aspirations that you envision improving your life, again, making them personalized to you. Prioritize your priorities. Now take a moment to write down a list of all the things that are most important to you in your life. What gets you out of bed in the morning? What things ignite a passion in you? These are the things that you are willing to devote time and energy to each day. For example, common things to add to your list might include family and friends, faith or spirituality, and personal growth. Amid the daily stress of our lives, we often forget about ourselves and our health. Is living a healthy lifestyle important to you? What about maintaining a proper work-life balance? Do you currently prioritize maintaining a loving relationship with your significant other? Perhaps you have a hobby like gardening or golfing that you enjoy participating in and prioritize making time for. Additionally, you may decide that having your finances in order or being happy at your job are most important to you. Or maybe your priorities could be as simplistic as being organized and time efficient. Or maybe your goals are on a more global scale and you want to make a difference in the world. Whatever your dreams are, the first step to making them a reality is to put them to paper. When you are finished writing your list, take a few moments to prioritize them on a scale starting with 1 as the most important. Importance of setting priorities. Setting priorities is important because we often have so much going on in our lives at once that we lose track of who we are and what we want out of life. We end up putting out one fire only to be confronted with yet another to take its place. Our lives are chaotic. With overbooked calendars and a to-do list a mile long, it often seems impossible to stay afloat. With so many things on our plate at once, it's easy to neglect ourselves and our personal relationships. That's why it's so important to remind ourselves of where our priorities lie and where our energy should be focused. Find your passion. Now that you've prioritized your priorities, take a few moments to think about these questions. What am I most passionate about? What inspires me to get out of bed at 5 a.m. on a Saturday morning? What haven't I experienced yet that I've always wanted to? What haven't I done yet that I've always wanted to? What haven't I learned yet that I've always wanted to? What part of me haven't I healed yet that I still need to? Am I doing now what I really want to do? And if the answer to that is no, do I even know what I'd really like to do? And finally, what can I do to serve others? Make a statement. With the questions just posed, take a few minutes to journal your answers. These should be your honest answers, not what you think you should do or what you think others expect you to do. Once you've done this exercise, combine all of your answers into a life's purpose statement. Your purpose statement will answer the question, why am I here and what is my true calling in life? You get to define yours. So, what do you want to do with your life? Go back to your piece of paper and write, my purpose in life is. Then just write. Spend some time reflecting on your dreams, priorities, and those previously posed questions. Next, think of the ways that you can use your passions and dreams to serve the world. Write down the following statement. I will make the world a better place by, and finish your answer. Get all of your ideas down on paper. This will probably take you at least 10 minutes, though it could take hours. Write until you feel you have some clarity about your life. Then go back and read the content. Is it powerful for you? Is it a wake-up call? If not, keep writing until you find something that's profound to you. Defining your purpose. When you do outline your life's purpose, it will be an emotional experience. You will look at what you wrote and have one of those mind-blowing, why didn't I think of that before, revelations. Even if your statements aren't very impressive to others, what matters is that you find them 100% accurate, relevant, and that they have some emotional significance to you. And remember to be patient with yourself. It could take some time and effort to come to a revelation about your life's purpose. Give it as much time as it takes. This process is for you. Know with confidence that you are worth it. I hope you've enjoyed this segment of total healing for the mind, body, and soul. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and join me for the next topic. Thank you so much for watching.